So, today we're diving into this idea of building an AI website that basically runs itself 24/7 from the moment it launches to handling support
Yeah, exactly.
and even making money. It's like turning your website into a self-sustaining business machine.
Right, and it's kind of mind-blowing when you think about it. The whole concept of an AI that can not only build but also update and manage everything is truly revolutionary.
Indeed, absolutely. So, let's break it down. First up is understanding what an AI website actually is. It's not just a static page online. It's a living, breathing digital entity that writes content, updates itself, and handles customer support sometimes.
Yeah, like it's its own little business owner. Right. And it even involves selling. I mean, imagine a website that not only updates itself, but also integrates sales functionality without your constant input. That's a game changer.
Exactly. It's like having a remote employee who never sleeps. The framework of this process starts with AI website builders, such as Durable.co or Wix ADI. You just describe your idea, and they churn out a complete layout and design for you, automatically.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. Speaking of design, how reliable do you think these AI builders really are? I mean, are they as creative as a human designer, or are they just churning out cookie-cutter sites?
Good question. Well, it's like the AI can handle the routine aspects and generate a starter framework pretty fast, but you might still want to sprinkle in your personal touch or brand specifics. But for many, it's more than enough to get started.
Right, absolutely. That makes sense. And once you've got your website built, content generation comes next. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper.ai step in to write SEO-rich blog posts, emails, you name it. They're practically churning out content on autopilot.
Yes, exactly. It's like having a content writer on standby 24/7. You just feed it a prompt, and boom, there's your blog post or landing page. It's fascinating how seamlessly these tools integrate with the website's overall functionality.
Yeah, totally. And then we hit another major component, SEO and analytics. See, even if your site looks great and writes excellent content, you've got to be found. That's where AI-driven tools like Surfer SEO or Rank Math come into play. They analyze every page, optimize keywords, and track your site's performance effectively.
Right. It's like having a personal SEO consultant working tirelessly to boost your site's rankings. Using those tools, your website doesn't just exist. It grows, adapts, and improves its visibility.
Now, let's talk about customer support. A key aspect of any business website is handling inquiries and support, and this is where AI chatbots like TDO or Chatbase really shine. They work round the clock, answering questions and even generating leads.
Right on. Right. It's like having a knowledgeable associate who's available 24/7 to handle customer queries. These chatbots not only enhance user experience, but also drive conversions. It's a win-win.
Though I do wonder, could there be a risk that customers might not feel as personally attended to by an AI chatbot versus a human? I mean, don't you think human touch still matters in some cases?
That's a valid point. Well, absolutely. And it's worth noting that these AI chatbots are improving constantly to mimic human-like interactions. You might still want to integrate some human oversight, but for standard queries, they perform exceptionally well.
Now, probably one of the coolest aspects, monetization. The idea that this self-running website can actually start generating income through affiliate links, AdSense ads, or even selling digital products. That's where the magic truly happens, huh?
Exactly. Yeah, it's like the website not only builds itself, but then goes on to market and sell on its own. Tools like Gumroad or Google AdSense are integrated, meaning the website essentially learns to promote and sell your offerings.
Right, it's almost like a salesperson that never clocks out. And don't forget the analytics. It all ties into a single stack that looks something like Durable, ChatGPT, Surfer SEO, TDO, Gumroad, and Zapier to connect everything intelligently. The seamless integration is what really elevates the concept.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Zapier in this stack plays the crucial role of automating and connecting these different services. It's like the glue that holds the entire operation together, ensuring every component communicates perfectly.
Right. So, if we step back and look at the big picture, building an AI website that runs itself essentially involves several key steps. Starting with the automated builder, then shifting to content creation, ensuring strong SEO and analytics, integrating customer support via chatbots, and finally, automating the revenue streams.
Spot on. Precisely, it's a holistic approach. And you know what really interests me here? The idea that technology allows us to offload so many tasks that traditionally required hands-on management. It's like, delegating an entire business operation to smart systems.
Yeah, it's revolutionary indeed. I agree. Yet I still wonder if this kind of heavy reliance on automated systems might make businesses vulnerable to, say, technical glitches or bugs. There has to be an element of human oversight.
You're right to be cautious. True, that's a fair critique. There's definitely a balance between full automation and having a human in the loop for emergencies. The idea isn't to eliminate human involvement entirely, but to allow us to focus on strategic decisions while letting AI handle routine operations.
Yeah, makes sense. And if we extend that analogy, it's like trusting a high-tech autopilot. It handles most of the journey, but you still need a pilot in the cockpit, just in case.
Exactly, that's a great way to put it. Right. And speaking of autopilot, the AI website essentially keeps your online business running 24/7, even when you're catching some sleep. It's like the ultimate passive income machine.
Yeah. I mean, just think about the future implications. As these AI systems become more advanced, we could see businesses that are almost entirely autonomous. But, do you think that might lead to challenges in quality control?
That's a good question. Well, it might. The challenge, again, is ensuring that AI-generated content or responses maintain a consistent and accurate quality. But with continuous improvements in AI algorithms, I believe those quality control hurdles are being actively addressed.
Yeah, true. Continuous learning is key. And it's fascinating how all these elements, from AI builders to chatbots, integrate with one another through platforms like Zapier. It's like an intricate ecosystem where each part makes the whole system stronger
Absolutely, indeed.
and more dynamic.
Exactly. And when you think about it, this ecosystem not only automates the operational part, but also fights to secure and boost visibility through SEO and analytics. Everything is interconnected.
It's all
Working
very
in concert.
interconnected. Now, when it comes to monetization, there's also a bit of a creative leap. The AI website can tailor its monetization strategy based on the traffic and its content. It's not static, it's dynamic and adaptive.
Right, exactly. Yes, it's the convergence of smart automation and adaptive marketing. And the final call to action, which is pretty bold, really challenges us. Would you trust an AI to run your business? It's like, truly asking us to reimagine how we work.
Yeah, exactly. I find that particularly interesting. It's not just about the convenience or technology, it's about shifting our mindset. It's a leap of faith into trusting AI systems to manage critical
Absolutely.
business functions.
And that leap of faith is underscored by how well each component works together in real time. Because if one piece fails, the whole experience suffers. So, it's critical to optimize every part, from content creation to SEO, support, and monetization.
Yeah, totally. One more thing that stands out to me is the potential for scalability. If your website is capable of running itself efficiently, then scaling that up requires minimal extra effort. It's like, multiplying an already efficient system without the usual headaches.
Exactly right. Exactly. And that's the dream. A scalable, low-maintenance digital business that grows and adapts on its own. With these innovative tools working together, anyone can jump into online business ownership with a lot less overhead.
Right. It's a game changer for small business owners and startups. But looking at it critically, do you think there's a risk of oversaturation? With so many following this model, might the market become flooded with similar self-run websites, potentially diminishing their uniqueness?
That's a very interesting point. I agree. It's a double-edged sword. On one hand, you have tremendous opportunity. On the other, there's a risk of, commoditization. However, the key will be in differentiating your content and niche so your website still stands out.
Absolutely. Niche differentiation is crucial. At the end of the day, it all boils down to leveraging AI smartly. Whether it's automating mundane tasks or tailoring your marketing strategy, AI empowers us to focus on innovation and creative strategy.
Right, exactly. Yeah, so imagine a future where you set everything up once and then let the system evolve autonomously while you focus on scaling or exploring new ventures. That's the power of building an AI website that runs itself.
Definitely inspiring. It surely is. And as we wrap this up, it's clear that technology is reshaping how we do business, making automation and self-sustaining systems more than just a buzzword, but a very tangible reality. Thanks for this deep dive. It's been really enlightening.
Absolutely. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.